do you get a tear, you ask? You get a tear by aligning yourself with energies that are not aligned to you. And when you do that, those energies must hold on to you, must plug into you. And they literally take their nails and tear your auric field, trying to hold on to your energy. You cannot see it with the human eye, but if you are very still, you can feel it. It's a fracture of your auric field, and you can feel it. So I'm asking, what would they feel? What would we feel? And they're saying it is when you get a headache, then it's likely a gash in your auric field. Could be something else as well, but could be a rip, a tear, a gash in your auric field. When you get hot, all of us, the hot flash, they have said it as a zillion different things. It is an interruption in your auric field. All interruptions are not bad. Some interruptions are positive. Some are transformational. But the one that I am talking about and speaking on at this moment is not. It is a negative action done against your vehicle, which would be this human form in which you inhabit, which affects the energy that can circulate around you. So it's important that you keep those fields cleansed, salt cleanse, detox cleanse. Those cleanses that were channeled by the channeler, those cleanses help to cleanse and clear your auric field. That's why they are so powerful. It's a healing. And what I just did is I sent energy through all of you. You should have felt it. It came from the center, not from the crown. It came from the center and went down. And thank you. Have you always been the moon? He's laughing. He or she. I don't think the moon has a gender. Correct. I have no gender. I have been the moon for a very, very long time. And before I was the moon, my predecessor was what you would call your father or your mother. We would call a soul connection that came before me, and their predecessor would have been what you would consider grandmother, grandfather. We would call a soul predecessor, um, which is what we consider soul family, which is what we see as energies who we are aligned with, energies, fractals of energies who came into existence together or in the same circle, the same group. Okay. All pineal glands have been cleared and cleansed at this time. Your auric field is now healed, and we have placed a stabilizer around all of you. Not that all of you needed it, but this is a gift. The stabilizer will block those energies that mean you harm or no good from being able to plug in. And you have all raised your frequency, so it should be much harder for them to plug in as it is. Okay. Now you may enter the moon.